Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this product right here. It came in from TourBox and is the ultimate controller for creators. So I'm going to show you what's in the box. I'm going to be unboxing it right in front of you guys. So this is going to be our first time seeing how it looks like and probably just talk about what it can do for us creators. Right? It had to be green, just to add a little pop. Or maybe just match the green in the back here. Who knows? Right? Okay, so this document is like right behind the product itself, and it says TourBox testing reference. So let me just go back into opening it, and for this part I need to be like extra careful so I don't damage the product that's in there. Okay. All right. And now the product just falls out.
Much later.
I didn't want to get rid of this, but now this is how you design a manual. All right, so this quick start guide comes in 9 languages as seen over here. So maybe for this, I'll need to take my time to read the guide. It also comes with some safety instructions. Okay, so this is the cable that goes from the device into your machine, and it's a Type-C. Okay, this is really small. It's smaller than I imagined. I thought it was gonna be like quite big. So it means if you're traveling, you can even go along with this, especially if you get used to it. So this, ooh, I love the matte black look. That's so nice. Right, let me see how many buttons are on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it has a total of 14 buttons, and I think all of them are going to be customizable, so you can do anything and everything with them. So like I was saying, this just goes, I don't need to read a manual to see this, but oh, it feels really sturdy, honestly. And it's quite long as well. All right, so this is going to go into your device, and this is going to go into your machine. Let me just have a feel for the buttons. They feel really nice, honestly. So what this promises to do, all right, let me clear my table. So this is a TourBox device. As you can see, it's really small and it fits in my palm. But what I love about it is that it has about 14 physical buttons, but it has up to 42 controls that are available to you. You can also upgrade it over time, as in when they upgrade it, and so when you connect it to here, you can upgrade the software as time goes on. It's also applicable to almost all softwares. So that's like Photoshop, Lightroom, Capture One, and any other software that you might be using on your computer. So it's also saying that it has some built-in functions that can replace what you generally do with your keyboard and mouse. So I can't wait to test that out to see how it actually works. So if it actually works, it means that it's going to shorten and make my working process more efficient. They've also made some presets for this device, and when you switch between Photoshop or Lightroom, it's able to detect the software you're using and then switch to those presets accordingly, because this device comes with some presets already installed, which you can also adjust to your liking, like I said in the beginning. So if you are using the presets that came with the device, when you're using Photoshop, it's going to determine that you're using Photoshop and then switch to those presets. And if you're using Lightroom as well, it's also going to switch to the presets that came with it for Lightroom. So currently with Lightroom, you can adjust the knob, and it's also going to be adjusting the parameters, the slider parameters inside Lightroom. Inside Photoshop as well, you can use some of these, I'm sure one of these, to adjust the size of your brushes. So maybe your healing brush, your your clone stamp tool brush, and you can even assign some of these buttons to specific tasks. So for example, if I want to switch to my healing brush tool, I can set it to this button, clone stamp tool to this as well. This is really customizable. And also in Premiere Pro, if you want to zoom into your clips, if you want to zoom in through your timeline, you can assign that to certain buttons on here, and it will be able to do that just by moving or turning these dials so easily. Right, so this little device has a lot of promise, and trust me, I'm going to let you know when I test this out how it's going, how it's working, how it's making me either work more efficiently, or if I'm actually like struggling to use it. I'm going to let you guys know in the next video, but it looks like it has a lot of potential because I can use this to watch YouTube videos. I can scroll through the video. When I'm editing in Premiere Pro, I can zoom into the clips, I can zoom into my timeline, I can assign buttons, you know, to cards, to do so many things. In Photoshop, I can use this to adjust my brush size. I can use this to scroll through some of the parameters inside Lightroom. It looks like the possibilities are endless, and I can't wait to try it out and let you guys know how it actually functions. And yeah, if it's good, I'll let you know so you can copy it. If it's not, I'm going to let you know in my next video. So if you haven't subscribed, click subscribe, become a part of the family, because we're growing and we're testing out this bad boy. So if you want to know how it's working for me in a couple of weeks, subscribe so you can see that video when I put it out there. So thank you so much, TourBox, for sending me this product. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to use it, and the fact that it's customizable, I mean, I can tweak all the buttons on there to suit my style and the way I work inside Photoshop, Lightroom, Capture One, even watch YouTube videos where they browse through my web pages or documents I'm reading. This looks like it's going to eliminate a lot of the keyboard and mouse work, and it's going to be like one single tool that you can use for your device. I really appreciate you guys sending it to me. And yeah, if I use it and it's really working for me, I'm going to let you guys know so you can copy it as well. If it's really going to help me in my workflow, make me work a little bit faster, I'm going to let you guys know in the next video. So if you haven't subscribed, I recommend that you subscribe right now. Click the red button down below. And yeah, check them out. I'm going to leave their links down below so you can see or read more about the product yourself if you also want to get it even before my review comes out. Just take a look at them, TourBox, on Instagram, or even go to their website. I'm going to leave their links down below like I said earlier on. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next video, and remember, don't ever give up. Thank you, TourBox. I really appreciate it.